Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtab. In front of all of you, I am presenting the Indian Express newspaper headlines. So, first of all, at epicenter of Manipur violence, a town looks for safe passage in and out. Next, Congress Shahi Parivar wants Karnataka to sede from India PM. Next, Manipur callback officer from Delhi names him chief secretary. Next, Dowell in Saudi to discuss US rail link plan for West Asia. Next, as India buys more Russian crude or obscure shipping firm makes it big. Next, with new faces, BJP eyes future and a nod to high command. On page number 5, in explained section, in that changes in PMLA, what, why, and the concerns they rise. Next, farm exports, the big picture. Next, shoot at site in Manipur, legal basis of government's order. Next, Goa's March forest fires, what government report says, the problem and fear. Then I comes to page number 10 in editorial page section, in that rising the bar. Next, beyond the optics. Next, have power will abuse. Next, healing touch on reveals. On page number 11 in idea page section, in that a data shaped hole. Next, forest on fire. Next, continue and changes. Next, idea exchange, in that COVID become a litmus test for governance worldwide. Wherever there was a strong public health system, we could fight the virus, reduce mortality rate. On page number 13 in economy section, in that China's renewed appetite for Urals could temper India's Russian oil buys. Next, while ADAS shift down the target range, self-drive take on a uphill climb. Next, private general insurance players expanding market share. Next, FPIs remain buyers of Indian equities, invest rupees 10,850 crore in trading 4 session. Next, Financial Minister Sitaraman to review state of economy of FSDC meeting today. Next, status quo in UK cannot continue. Bond to take decision in 2 years. Tata is still CEO. Next, Coal India quarter for profit drops 18% on high wage bill. Next, GST and e-invoice implementation differs. On page number 14, the world section, in that anti-monarchy protesters freed after 16 hours. Next, Israel continues overhaul protest. Next, rally goers in Pakistan kill man accused of blasphemy. Next, worried about Ukraine and plant safety, says UN nuke was tapped. Next, PM Kishida arrives in Seoul for first visit by a Japanese leader in 12 years. Next, 12 killed, over 30 wounded in vehicle crash. Next, 3 killed and 9 wounded in avalanche. Next, Pakistan, China, Afghanistan agree to combat terrorism together. Next, 20 Indonesian victims of human trafficking set free in Myanmar. Next, Arab League members readmit Syria after 12 years suspension. Next, US 8 death, 7 wounded after man opens fire in Texas, shooter killed. Next, Indian origin man gets 20 years for killing women in New Zealand. Next, caretaker PM resigns month before early polls. Next, Rishi Sunak host coronation big launch for community heroes. On page number 15 in sports section, in that Gill divorce super giants. Next, Phillips builder. Next, Huda wrong call. Next, slow but effective. Next, last ball no ball has SRH beat Rajasthan Royals in thriller. Next, Pathri Ranana Yorkers unorthodox action making batsmen hope around. On page that much for today. Thanks for watching.